So next up, if you decide to put together a long-term emergency bag, better known as an inch bag, you need to consider having a proper med kit. Now this med kit, you can put whatever you need inside of it. For some of you, it's going to determine on the size of your family or your specific medical needs. It's also going to determine what is your expedition in the outdoors. The next thing we're going to talk about is a tourniquet. A tourniquet is very important, just in case of a stab wound, gunshot wound, some sort of deep trauma. It's best to have about 3 of these, believe it or not. Now, I like to use external pouches you can get from anywhere, and it allows you to keep this in here, and you can attach this to your belt rather than put it inside of your bag. That's really up to you. The med kit should be comprised of multiple units, and it should allow you to have multiple items. If your med kit doesn't fit exactly what you need and you purchase your med kit from a specified company, make sure that you, in return, go through your med kit, make sure everything is there, and if something needs to be replaced or added in addition, go ahead and add it. If this size doesn't suit you for one person, go to the next size. You can go as large as you want. It's really up to you. You can get a rollout bag. You can get the already made bags. As far as this particular company here, let's just say I'm going to leave that company out of this conversation, but I will in fact tell you that the best med kits are the ones that the people put together. You and I. Do your research and know what you're doing. But until next time, have a med kit inside of your long-term survival bag. Let's move on to the next product.